So in this video, we want to look at a topic in mathematics that we call logarithm. Now, class, logarithm can be in two ways, either with table or without table. So this logarithm can either be with table, okay, or without table. For the one we are going to be discussing here is going to be logarithm without what now? Without table. Now, questions under logarithm without tables can be solved in two ways. Either we use the basic definition or we use what we call the laws. So I'm going to take the first one, basic definition. Thereafter, I will take the laws. We now solve general what now? General question. So how do you define logarithm? The logarithm of a number. Suppose the number is what now? Is p. So we write logarithm of a number, log p, if the number is what? Is p. Logarithm of the number p to base what? To base a is the power x to which a must be raised to give what now? To give p. I said we can solve questions under logarithm without tables in two ways. Either we use the basic definition, like I said, basic definition, okay, basic definition, or we use what we call the laws of logarithm. The laws of logarithm. So the first one here is what now? Is the basic definition. And I gave you the definition of what now? Of this. I said the logarithm of a number p base a is the power x to which this a must be raised to give p. This thing reads log p base a. Pay attention. Log p base a. Or I can say log a of p. But I prefer the first one, log p base a. So it means if p wants to stand alone, this a must raise this one up. I'm going with the basic definition first. So it means p here, standing alone, will be equals to a raised to the power of what now? Of x. You can see that what now? Logarithm and indices, they are interwoven. Okay? This one here is log form. Log form. While this one here is index form. From indices, index form. So it means we can come from what? Logarithm to indices. Okay, or we can as well move from what now? Indices back to what? To logarithm. This is just the basic definition. For example, look at this. If I ask to what now? Express log of 32 base 2 equals to what? 5 in index form. In index form. What are you going to do, class? Look at this. I will apply the explanation here to solve this question. It means 32 must stand alone based on what I have here. So for 32 to stand alone, what will happen? These two will raise this 5 up. Take note of that. So if I have log of what? 32 base 2 equals to what now? 5. It means this one will go here. We now have 32. Standing alone is equals to what now? 2 raised to power what now? 5. I said you can solve question under logarithm using the basic what now? Definition. So I've explained the basic definition. Let's now solve more questions. I can convert from indices to what? Logarithm. I can as well move from what now? Logarithm to indices. So if I have something like this, 2 raised to power 4 equals to 16. We all agree that this one is what now? Index form. Okay? If I've been asked to convert this one or rewrite this one in logarithm form, what are we going to do? It means 2 will come down. Are you with me? 2 will come down. 16 will still stand. So we are going to say what now? 4 is equals to what now? Log of 16 base what now? Base 2. It is this one. Look at this. A. 4 is now x. So A is coming down. A must come down here. So the 2 must what? Must come down. This one is from logarithm form to index form. This is from index form to logarithm what now? Logarithm form. Now, class, so let's now solve question based on the definition that we've just established now. So let's solve some questions. So Let's solve some questions. So we have to what now? Evaluate this. We have to evaluate these questions. Evaluate the first one. Log 81 base 3. Second one. Log 749 base 49. Third one. Log of 16 base half. And the fourth one. Log of 4/9 base 2/3. Okay, you must know how to pronounce all these things, please. It's very important. You must know how to pronounce. Look at this. Log 81 base 3. Log 7 base 49. Log 16 base 1/2 or base half. Log 4/9 base 2/what now? 2/3. So let's go. Let's solve all these questions using basic what definition. So solution now. The first one, I will say let log of 81 base 3 to be equals to x. Okay, what's the next thing? This 3 will now raise this x up from basic definition. We'll now be having 3 raised to power x is equals to what now? 81. Okay, I've now transformed this from log form to index form. I can now apply what we call conditional law under indices that we've done before. So what happened? I will now write this 81 in form of base 3. So here we'll now be having what now? 3 raised to power x is equals to what now? 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 means what now? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 being multiplied by itself in 4 what now? 4 times. So this will give us what now? 81. So what's the next thing? Since they are equal, the bases are equal, I will equate what now? The power. So it means our s will be equals to what now? 4. I solve this question using definition. I can equally solve this question using the what? The law. So when we get to the laws, we're going to repeat some of this question here using the law to solve the question. So that's the first one. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2, we can say let's log of 7 base 49 to be equals to what now? Y. So what's the meaning of this one here? It means this one means what now? This one means log of 81 base 3 is equals to what now? For that's the meaning, please. So because our x, we said let's one because of what? X. So it means log of 81 base 3 equals to what? Equals to 4. So let's solve the second one. Let's solve the second one. So let's go. So I can have more space, more room to work. So number 2, let's log of 7 base 49 to be equals to what now? Y. I can use any alphabet. What is the next thing? So we this one up. So we have 49 raised to power y is equals to what now? 7. Okay. So what's the next thing now? I will write 49 base what? Base 7. So I'm having 7 raised to power 2. Okay. Bracket y. Because what now? 7. 7 in index form will be 7 raised to power what now? Y. You should remember we said n raised to power 1 is that thing under indices. So 7 in index form will be 7 raised to power what now? 1. Double power, I'll multiply these two together. So now 7, 2 times y is what now? 2y equals to what now? 7 raised to power 1. I will equate the powers. So I have 2y equals to what now? 1. We now divide both sides by what now? By 2. So 2y over 2 equals to what now? 1 over 2. This will cancel all this. Our y equals to what now? 2. Therefore, log of 7 base 49 is equals to what? 1 over 2. Is it clear? So that's the second what now? Second question. Second question. You can pause the video and just see the way I solve all these questions. So let's go to the third one. No. Try this one on your own. Try this. Let me solve this. So you try that. Let me solve the fourth one. So you try the third one. Can I have this one off? Or let me solve everything. So because I still have more questions to give you guys. So let's log what? Log 16 base 2 equals to, let's say m. Okay, this will carry this one up. We have 2 raised to power m equals to 16. So 2 raised to power m will be equals to what now? 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So our m, this is 1 over 2. This is not okay. Let's just solve this one first. Then we'll now solve the 1 over 2. we now be having our m is equal to what now? 4. Therefore, log of 16 base 2 equals to what now? 4. So let's now go to this. Let's see, I've given you a bonus. Let's log 16 base half to be equals to maybe, let's use k. So this one will raise one up. We have 1 over 2 raised to power k is equals to what now? 16. Now look at this. What is 1 over 2 in index form? It will be 2 raised to power minus 1. See, remember? This is now what now? 2 raised to power what now? 4. Minus 1 times k is what? Minus k. So I have 2 raised to power what? Minus k equals to 2 raised to power what now? 4. I will equate the powers. Minus k equals to what now? 4. I will now divide through by what now? By minus 1. So we have minus k all over minus 1 equals to what? 4 over what now? Minus 1. So minus 1 will cancel minus 1 here. Our k only now equals to what now? Minus 4. So it means, therefore, log of 16 base half is equals to minus what now? Minus 4. So that's all under what now? Under solving questions under logarithm using basic definition. So the next thing is I will give you the laws now. Okay, we'll now try to use the laws to solve what now? Questions. So let's go for the laws under logarithm. Let's go for the laws under logarithm. So let's write the laws. Let's write the laws here. Under the laws, we can either build up or we break down. Either we build up or we break down. I will explain that, please. I will explain that. Now, the first one says, if I have log of a base x plus log of b base x, our answer must be equal to log of a times b base x. A times b base x. So this one is break down. This is build up. Okay. This one can go to this. This one too can come back to. So in the exam or in the question, if it's something like this, I can break it down. When I have multiplication between them, when I have addition between them, and I have the same base but different numbers, what will I do? I will multiply the numbers and I will pick one what now? One base. So second law, if I have log of a base x minus log of b base x, if I have subtraction between them, the same base, I will divide. That will be log of what? A divided by b is what? Base x. Okay? Now the third law, the logarithm of a number to its base is 1. Logarithm of a number to its base is 1. Okay, so log of x base x will give us what? 1. Take note of all these laws, very important. Log of a number to its base, so log 10 base 10, 1. Log 1000 base 1000 is 1. And the fourth one, the logarithm of 1 to any base must give us what now? 0. Logarithm of 1 to any base, we can prove this one. You know, if I want to use basic definition, I'll just use this s to raise this 0 up. It means s is power 0. What will it give us? Give us 1. You see, remember the laws of indices? One of the laws of indices. So n raised to power 0 will give us 1. If that thing is not equal to 0. So s raised to power 0 is 1. So it means this law is valid. So that is the fourth one. The fifth one, if I have log of a raised to power n base x, this will be equals to, see, this number here, okay, is carrying another power. So the power will come to the back. So that will now be n log a base what? Base x. That is the fifth one. The sixth one, if I have log of s raised to power n, then a, look at this one. In this place, it is the number that is carrying the power. But in this one, it is the base that is carrying. This one reads log a base s raised to power n. If the base is carrying the power, our answer will be equals to 1 all over n log of a base what? Base s. It means it will come to the back. When the number is coming to the back, it will now carry what now? 1 on top. Is it clear? So that is the sixth one. So let's go to seventh law. The seventh law is what we call reciprocal law. If I have log of a base x, okay, and I want this one to come down, the number to be the base, and the s to be here, I will just put what? 1 over log of what? S base what? Base a. We call this one what? Reciprocal law. So you see, a has turned to the base, and this s, which was the base, has become the what now? The number. Then this one, I'll write the name there so you understand the concept. Change of base. Change of base law is very key. Okay? Change of base. What is change of base? If I have log of a base b, and I want to change this b to any base that I like. Suppose I want to change to what now? To base x. See what will happen if I want to change this base b to base. So change of base, I have log of a base b is equal to, I want to change this b, this base b, okay, to base x. I can decide to change to any base, but I want to use x. So what will this one turn to? It will be log of base x on top all over log of base x below. Then this a that is the number here will still maintain its position, but this b that is the base here will now become what now? Number. Look at this, for example. If I have log of 2 base 5, when I'm being asked to change to what now? Log base 3. It will be log of 2 base 3 all over log of 5 base what now? Base 3. This law is very important, change of base. Although all the laws too are equally important, but this one is very key. So we have these 8 laws here. Okay? Let's go to the what now? The next one. That's what we call conditional law 2 under logarithm. The thing says if log of a base x is equals to log of b base x, I have the same thing here. Log base x equals to log base x. So this log base x will cancel this log base x. Then our a will be equals to what now? B. So these are all the laws that we have under what? Under logarithm. So we're going to solve questions using the laws. Okay, so let's go. Let's solve questions using the law. Let me even solve one of the questions that we solved earlier using the law. You see that we're going to have the same thing. Let me solve the first one. Log of each one base 3. You can pause the video, write all the laws down, okay? And you continue. So let me solve the first one using the law. The first one is what now? Log of what? Log 81 base 3. I want to apply the law. See what will happen. 81 is 3 raised to power 4 now. So 3 raised to power 4 base what? Base 3. What happens? This one will come in the back. You know, we have something like this now. N log a base x will give us what now? Log of a raised to power n is what? Base x. So if it is the power, it comes to the back. So it's the power here, it's coming to the back. We'll now be having 4 log 3 base what now? 3. You know, we have log of x base s equals to what? 1. You remember? So the log of a number to its base gives us what now? 1. So what is log 3 base 3? That is 1. So we'll now be having 4 times what? 1, which is equals to what now? 4. So I can either use basic definition to solve the question, or I use what now? The law. Here, I've used the law. Go back to go and check the way I solve it using basic what? Definition. So we won't waste time. So let's solve more questions. Let's solve more questions. Alright, so we have this log 125 base 5 minus log 25. So we have log of the first one, 32 base 4 plus log 2 base 4. The second one, log of 125 base 5 minus log of 25 is what now? Base 5. You see, they have the same words, the same base. The same base, 4, 4. All that between them, addition, 5, 5. All that between them, subtraction. This one will change to what now? Multiplication. This one will change to what now? Division. It's as simple as that. So, solution to the question. So, log of what? Log of 32 base 4 plus log of 2 base 4 will give us what now? Log of 32 times 2 base 4. And And what is 32 times 2? That is what now? 64. So we have log of what now? 64 is what? Base 4. I can either I can either use what now? Basic definition, or I use the what now? The law. So let me use the law. This will now be log of 64 is 4 is power what now? 3. That is 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 is what now? 64. So base 4. So what happens? This one will come to the back. I have 3 log 4 base 4. What is log 4 base 4? That is 1. So I have 3 times 1. Equals what now? 3. If I want to use the law, I'll just say let log of 64 base 4 equals what now? X. This will raise this one up. I have 4 is pi equals what now? 64. So 4 is pi will give us what now? 4 is power what now? 3. I will equate the what? The power. So our x will be equals to what now? 3. You are going to have the same result. Either use basic definition or use the what now? The law. You are going to have the same what? So what happens here? This one will change to what now? To division, I suppose. Yes. So what I'm going to do, let me wipe this one off. So what this one give us? Log of what? 125 base 5 minus log of 25 base 5 will give us what now? Division 25 over 5 base 5. This will now be what now? 125 in what? In 5. No, this is 25. 125 in 5. That will give us what now? 5. So we're having log of 5 is what? 5. What is log 5 is 5? You see it? It's 1. Don't stop here. But this is a rule. Log any number to its base will give us what now? If you stop here, they will not give you your final answer. They will give you your full mark. Okay, so if it's theory, they will give you your full mark. But if it's OBJ, you will not even see this one here. That's what you see there. So that is that. So we have this. Log 5 base 5 is what? Is 1. So let's solve more questions. Let us be solving questions. Let's be solving questions. So, all right, so let's go. So let me now combine the two. Look at this. We have to simplify log of what? 4 base 2 plus log of 2 base 4 minus log of 5 base 25. Look at this one now. They don't have the same base. They don't have the same base. I think if they have the same base, it should have been 4 times 2 divided by what now? 5. Is it clear? But they don't have the same base. So we are going to solve it separately. So what's that become? If I want to use the law, this will be log of 2 raised to the power 2 base 2 plus log of 2 raised to the power 2 minus log of 5 raised to the power what now? So 5 raised to the power 2 is 25. So what happens? You remember this law? If I have log a raised to the power n base x, our answer goes to what now? N log a base x. Okay? Are you with me? But if I now have log of a x raised to the power n, if that n is coming to the back, it will be 1 all over n log a base 1 base x. So I'm applying these two laws here to solve this question. So I will come here, it will become 2 log what? 2 base 2 plus, if one is coming, it will become 1 over 2. Remember, 1 over 2 log 2 base 2, based on what I have here. If this one is coming here, it will become what? 1 over 2. Then minus what now? 1 over 2 log 5 is what now? Base 5. So what is log 2 base 2? That is 1. This will be 2 times 1 plus log 2 base 2 is 1. This will be what? Half times 1 minus log 5 base 5 is what? Is 1. Half times 1. So this is what now? 2 plus half minus what now? Half. Half minus half will give us what now? Is 0. So our final answer here is what now? Is 2. If they don't have the same base, okay? If they don't have the same base, you just what now? You solve it separately. That is 1 by 1. Now look at this one now. They have the same base. Log of 49 base 7 plus log of 1 over 7 base 7. See here, they have the same base. I will apply the law. I will just multiply these two together. Are you with me? This will now be log of what? 49 times what? 1 over 7 base 7. Isn't it? So what happened? 7 here 1. 7 here what now? 7. So we're having log of 7 base what? Base 7 What is log 7 base 7? That is what now? 1. Okay? So that is that. So that's some more solving questions. We have plenty of questions to be solved. Okay? So look at this. If you have any questions to ask, just drop it in the comment section below. Okay? So the discussion group, drop your questions there. So we have to simplify. Okay? Look at this one. Log 8 base 7 times log 7 base 6 times log 6 log 8 base 7 times log 7 base 6 times log 6 base 5 times log 5 base 4 times log 4 base 3 times log 3 base 2. How do you solve this? We also simplify. How do you solve this? Alright. Look at the question. Okay, so now if I have something like this, okay, without writing anything here, this is base 10. Base 10. So I can either write it like this or I write it like this. Are you with me? So if I don't write anything here, it's in base 10. So what would I do? Let me change everything to what now? To base 10. So they have the same what now, the same base. That's what we call change of base. I want to change to base 10. That's the easiest base to change to. So also I'm becoming base 10. That will be log of what? Let's go together. Log 8 over what now? Log 7. You remember, we said if I have log of what? A base B. And I want to change to what now? To base X to be log of base X on top, all over log of base X below. I will now have what here? I will have A here. I will have B here. That's what I did. To base 10. 10 here, 10 here. Then 8 will be up, then 7 will be down. Is it clear? So times the same thing. Log 7 base 10 all over log 6 base 10 times log 6 base 10 all over log 5 base 10 times log 5 base 10 all over log of 4 base 10 times log 4 base 10 all over log 3 base 10. Log 3 base 10 then times log 3 base 10 all over log 2 base 10. So what happened? We can cancel out now. This one will cancel out this. You see it? Cancel out this. Log 5 will cancel out log 5. Log 4 will cancel out log 4. Log 3 will cancel out what? Log 3. We will now be left with what now? Log 8. Log 8 base 10 all over log of what now? Log of 2 base 10. Did you see it? So instead of them to just give us evaluate log 8 base 10 all over log 2 base 10, they now give us this. They want to test if we understand the concept of what now? Change of base. So what happened here? This will be log of what now? 2 raised to power 3 base 10 all over log of 2 base 10. So this one can come to the back. I have 3 log what? 2 base 10 all over log of what now? Of 2 base 10. I can cancel out now. Log 2 here. Cancel out log 2 base 10. Log 2 base 10 cancel out log 2. Our final answer here is what? You see how interesting this thing is. So logging is very interesting when you know the laws very well. So your own is just what? Take the laws, understand the laws, and use them to solve what now? Questions. Is it clear? So as simple as that. Okay. Look at this one. Please don't make mistake. Log 49 divided by log 7. Log 49 divided by log 7. Let me write it here. Log 49 divided by log 7. This is not what now? This is not the law. You know, the law is what? It's minus. So this one is same as saying log of 49 all over log of what now? 7. Be careful, please. So what will happen here? This will be 7 raised to power 2. You understand? Don't go and say log 7 here 1, log 7. No. This will be log of what? 7 raised to power 2. Let me write it up so you see what I'm saying. So let me write it up. We are given log of what? Log of 49 divided by log of 7. This will just be log of 49 all over log of 7. So what happened here? Log of 7 raised to power 2 all over log of 7. The 2 will come to the back. Okay? So 2 will come to the back. Now we are having 2 log 7 over log 7. Log 7 will cancel out with 7. This will be what now? This will be 2. Don't make mistake here. I think it is minus. Okay, it will not be. If it's minus, and look at this. If this question was log 49 minus log what now? Log 7. This will now be log of 49 divided by what now? By 7. Okay, base 10. It's in base 10. So our answer will not be what now? Log of what now? Log of 7. That's the answer. If it was minus, I will divide. But this one was division, just like this. I hope this is clear. Alright, so let's solve more questions. I think we are getting somewhere. Let's solve more questions. Okay, log of root 7 over 7. Log root 7 over what now? Log of 7. Now, class, look at this. Look at this. Anytime I have root of x, if I want to change root of x to index form, it will be x raised to power what? 1 over 2. If I have cube root of x to index form, it will be x raised to power what now? 1 over 3. If I have fifth root of x, what will it be in index form? It will be x raised to power what now? 1 over what? 1 over 5. So this one will be 7 raised to power 1 over 2 in index form. I will have log of what? 7 raised to power 1 over 2 all over what now? Log of what now? 7. Apply the law, so one will come to the back. I have half log 7 all over what? Log 7. Log 7 will cancel out log 7. We have what now? 1 over 1 all over 2. So that's that on that. So, okay. Alright, so if I'm questioning in what now? In decimal, make sure you convert to what now? To fraction. Yes. Please take note of that. That question in decimal, convert that decimal to what now? Just similar to what we did under what? Under logarithm, under indices. So look at this. Log of 32 is 0.25. So what will happen? This will become what? Log 32. 25 over what now? This point will be what? 1. 0, 0. So I have what? 100. Are you with me? 25 here, 1. 25 here, what now? 4. So we're having log of 32 base 1 over 4. Is that what? So I can write this one in what now? To power of 2. Power of 5. That is 2 power 5. 2 power 2. So we now have log of 2 raised to power 5. Then 1 over 2 raised to power what now? 2 raised to power 2. Is it clear? So this one is what? 1 over 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 5 base 1 over 2 raised to power 2. Then this one to what now? To negative power law. I will have log of 2 raised to power 5, then 2 raised to power what now? Minus 2. Okay? You know, if I want to apply this law, a raised to power s raised to power n. Okay? So this one is coming to the back to now be 1 over what? N. So what our n here is minus 2. So it should come to the back. Are you with me now? So the first thing here, this one will come to the back too. I will have 5 log 2 raised to power what now? Minus 2. And this one too will come to the back. So that will be 5 times 1 over minus 2. Are you with me? If this one is coming to the back, our n is minus 2. It will be 1 all over. Then I have log of what now? 2 base 2 left here. 5 minus 5 over what? About 2. Then log of what? 2 base what? 2 base 2. What's log 2 base 2? That is what? That is 1. I'm having minus 5 over 2 times what? Times 1. Our final answer here is what? Minus 5 over 2. Okay? So that is that. So let's have more questions. I think we are almost getting somewhere. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's solve this question. Are given 2 log 5 plus log 36 plus log 9. 2 log 5 plus log 36 minus log what? Log 9. I told you, if nothing is written here, base 10. I think I've explained that. So 2 log 5 plus log 36 minus log 9. So what happens is this one will come here. Okay, it will come up first. We now have log of what? 5 raised to the power 2 plus log of what now? 36 minus what? Log of what now? 9. So this is log of 25 plus log of 36 minus log of what? Log of 9. I can apply the law. Same base. Plus we change to what now? To times. Minus change to what now? Division. So I have log of 25 times 36 all over what now? 9. So what happened? 9 here 1, 9 here what now? 4. So I'm having log of 25 times 4 is what? 100. Is what? Base 10. You see it? So what is this one? This will be log of 10 raised to the power 2 base what? Base 10. Can I apply the law here? Yes. So we'll come to the back. Now I have log of 2 log 10 base 10. Can I further apply any law? Yes. Log 10 base 10 is what? Is 1. So now I have 2 times 1. And we have our final answer 2. So you have to practice. The more questions you solve, the more you understand this concept of what now? Of logarithm. Okay? So the more questions you solve, that is why it's very important to solve questions. Alright, so let's take another one. Okay, look at this. Given that a hand, so before I do that, let me give one special thing on that logarithm. Now to connect logarithm and what now? And indices. A law. I need you to solve a question. So anytime I have, look up, anytime I have a raised to the power log of x base a, our answer must be equal to what? X. So take note of this. Take note of this. It's very important. A, let me write it so you see very well. A raised to the power log of x base a, our answer equals to what now? X. So if they have the same thing here, if that base that's carrying the log and the base of the log are the same, for example, if I have 5 raised to the power log of 3 base 5, our answer will be equal to what now? 3. Okay, so look at this. We're now asked to use this thing here now to solve a question. I said we should evaluate 5 raised to the power minus 3 log 2 base 5 times 2 raised to the power 2 log 3 base 2 log 3 base 2. Look at it. Okay, look at this. So we want to use this law now to solve this question. How are you going to do that? And mind you, the coefficient here should be 1. Okay, coefficient here should be 1. I'm having the equation of what now? Of minus 3. So I have to remove this minus 3. Before I can apply the law, I must have nothing here. Okay, so I have to transfer this minus 3 to this side from this law. N log a base x will give us what now? Log of a raised to the power n is what? Is x. So I have to transfer this one here first. So that will be 5 raised to the power log of 2 raised to the power minus 3 base 5. And times the same thing, 2 raised to the power log of 3 raised to the power 2 base 2. Meaning these two here will move to this side. So I'm having this. Okay? It's clear now, Abi? See, 5 log 3 base 5, 3. 5 log 3 raised to the power minus 3 base 5. 5 3 raised to the power what? Minus 3 times 2 log 2 of 3 raised to the power 3 will be what? 3 raised to the power what now? 2. What is this? Negative power law. So now it will now be 1 over what? 3 raised to the power 3. And then what now? Times 9. That will be what now? 1 over 8 times 9. And this will give us what now? 9 over 8. What is 9 over 8? That is what? Or 1 over 1 over what now? 1 over 8. Okay, this is a jam question. I think year 2000. Yes. Yeah, 2002. This is a jam question. 2002. So take note of that for those that didn't jam. Okay. So let's now solve question. Okay, I have one interesting question here before we now move on to solving question that involves what now? Equation. Okay, equation in what now? In logarithm. So I have one interesting question here to be solved. Given that log x, let me wipe this one off. Given that log x base 2 plus log y base 2 equals to what? 8. We're now to find log 8x base 2 plus log 4y base 2. When you understand the laws, you just be sorry, as in, you just be as if just catching fun. So understand the laws and how to manipulate the laws. I've seen something here now. Okay, don't go and say x2 base 2. What will I no. This one here, if I apply the law, I'm going to break it down. You know, I told you about what we call building up or what now, breaking down. If I have log of a b base x, this one here, I have to break it down. It will now be log of a base x plus log of b base x. Are you with me? So I'm applying this law here to this one. I'll break it down. So this one becomes log of 8 base 2 plus log of x base 2. You see it? Because if I want to apply it, that is because I have the same base plus between them, I'll multiply now. 8 times x. Is it clear? So the same thing here, applicable to that one too. So I'll have plus log of 4 base 2 plus log of y base 2. So log of x base 2, log of y is out. So what is this one? This will be log of 2 raised to the power 3 base 2. Let me write this one together. Log x base 2 plus log of 3 raised to the power 2 base 2 plus log of what? Y base 2. This will come here. We have 3 log 2 base 2 plus log of x base 2 plus log of y base 2 and come together. So we'll come here. We have 2 log 2 base 2. What is log x base 2 plus log y base 2? We've been given equals to 8. So it means everything here is 8. Log 2 base 2 is what? Is 1. 1 times 3, we have 3 here. Plus everything here is what? Is 8. Plus what is log 2 base 2? 1. Times 1, you have 2. So when we add 3 plus this 11, no, 8 plus this is 10, plus this one we have what now? We have 13. I'm very correct. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 2 is what? Is 13. So just watch the video over and over. Solve more questions. Okay, lay your hand on textbooks, solve questions. Okay, and if you encounter any what now, any difficulty in solving questions, let me know. Okay, so that's why we are there for you guys. So, all right, so let's solve question that involves what now? Equation, and we'll call it what now? A day. All right, I think we've done justice to WD. Although we see how it's just part 1. Part 1 of WD. We're going to part 2 of WD. Okay, then you do part 2 of WD. So, find n. So question that involves what now? Equation. We have to find n. Find n if log 4 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 minus log n base 2 equals to what now? Equals to 1. We have to find n. So what I need to do, this question involves what now? Equation. Find n. So here, base 2, I can combine them. So I can have log of what? 4 times 7 base 2. Okay, then minus what now? Log of what? N base 2 is equals to what now? 1. What's the next thing? This will become what now? 28. So I have log of what now? 28 base 2 minus log of n base 2 equals to what now? 1. I have not between them. I cannot divide. I now have log of what now? 28 over what? N base 2 equals to what now? 1. Are you with me? So what's the next time? I'll apply basic definition. This one will raise this one up. We're now having 28 over what? Over n equals to what now? 2 raised to power what now? 1. What's raised to power 1? It is 2. So we'll now be having what now? 2. 28 over n equals to what now? 2. What's the next thing? We'll cross multiply. Well, n times 2, that is 2n. It's equals to what now? 28. So we now divide both sides by what? By 2. So 2n over 2 equals to what? 28 over what? Over 2. 2 cancel out 2, n equals to what now? 16. No, 14. 2 here 1, 2 here what? 14. Our n is equal to what now? 14. So any other question? Yes. Is it clear? This one is it clear? I just apply the concept. Plus, times, minus, division. And that's all. And now apply what now? Basic definition here. This one with this one up. That's just the simple thing that I did here. So let's solve 2 more questions and we'll call it a day. Alright, so wrap this one off. We have to solve log of x minus 1 base 2 plus log of x plus 2 base 2 is equal to what now? 2. Log of x minus 1 base 2 plus log of x plus 2 base 2 equals to what? Equals to 2. Okay, so let's go. What's the next thing? Plus base 2 base 2. I multiply. So I'm now having log of what? X minus 1 x plus 2, right? Base 2. Equals to what now? Equals to 2. Okay, what's the next thing? This one now, I will now use basic division. This will raise this one up. I will now have x minus 1 x plus 2 equals to what now? 3 raised to power 2. So what do I have here? X minus 1 x plus 2 equals to what now? 4. I'll open this bracket. Open the bracket. So let's open this bracket. We'll be having what now? X times x, x squared, x times plus 2 plus 2x minus x minus 2 equals to what now? 4. So this will give us what we call a quadratic what now? Equation. So alright, so x squared 2x minus x, that is what now? Plus x minus 2. So will come here minus what? Minus 4 equals to what now? Is 0. So what do I have here? We have x squared plus x minus 6 equals to what now? 0. So we now solve this quadratic equation. So multiply this one by this. That will be what? Minus 6x squared. So find the factors of this one that will give us what now? When we add, it will give us what? Plus 1. And when we multiply, we have what now? Minus 6. This should not be. This one will come here. This one will come here. This should give us 3x and what? Minus 2x. Yes. So because 3x minus 2x is what now? Is plus x. 3x times minus 2x is what now? Minus 6x squared. So it means this factor will now be written as what? X squared. Instead of writing plus x, it will now be plus 3x minus 2x, then minus 6 equals to 0. Equals to 0. So we factorize by grouping. X bracket what now? X plus. I think we've done factorization in school, so we should have to do this. This one is very easy. So minus what now? 2 bracket what now? X plus 3 equals to what now? Is 0. Okay? So what's the next thing? Either x plus 3, x minus 2 equals to 0. So we now pick x plus 3 equals to 0, or x minus 2 equals to what now? 0. So what happened here? Our x equals to what now? Minus 3, or x equals to what now? 2. So can I write, therefore, x is minus 3, or x is what now? X is 2. Okay, so it means when we put 2 here, let's just try it out. We must have 2 as our answer. Let's try it out. Let's check. Okay, let's check. So if I should put 2 here, what I'm having what now? 2 minus 1, which is 1. So this one will be log of what? Log of 1 base 2 plus. But you put 2 here, above what? Above 4. So let's go. Log of what? Log of 4 base what now? Base 2. Will you give us 2? This is 2. 2 minus 1. That is 1. Yes. Then this one give us 2. Log 1 base anything is what? Is 0. Just remember. We said log of what? Log of 1 base x equals to what now? Is 0. Are you with me now? So what's log 1 base 2 here? That is 0. It is 0. So I'm applying this law. Log 1 base anything will give us what now? Will give us 0. So what happened here? This will be what now? 0 plus. This is 2 raised to power 2 here now. Log 4 base 2. Log 4 base 2 is what? Is 2. So this will give us what now? Very correct. Very, very correct. If you put minus 32 there, we're going to have the same thing. So you can just check. This I want to check on your own. So that is where we are going to. I'll give you one question to solve to try. So I'm going to stop here. Let me just give you the question. So as take home, I'll give you 2 questions. as take home. Let me give you 3 questions as take home. And please, those questions, solve the questions and you drop your answers in the discussion group. Please, it's very important. All right. So thank you very much. I really enjoyed this class. I'm happy with you guys. So the first one, the assignment. The first one. Find the value of x. If I have log of what? Log of 2x is 2 plus log of x plus 4 base 2 plus of 6. So find x. Second one. Log of 8. 10 base 8 equals to what? X. But now to evaluate log of 5 base 8 in terms of x. Then third one, solve for m if log of 1/16 everything is super 2m plus 3 base 2 is equals to log of 8 raised to power 5m plus 1 all over what now? 3 base what now? Base 2. So these are the 3 questions. So here you find x, here you find what now? Find m, and here you express 5/8 in terms of what now? Of x. So class, this is where I'm going to draw the curtain. Okay, I'm very happy to go through this logarithm class with you. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next class.